See you next year.
Nako, imamamify na ako. Hello everybody, it is a new day here in Tagaytay, Philippines. I'm going on a date today. Not that kind of date, but I'm going on a date.
He's gonna be my chaperone.
With my cousin because, oh, you probably don't know yet.
I'm getting married!
Yes, the last days of her singlehood.
When I close my eyes before going into universe, I think about the moment we were hoping wouldn't end, because I never knew it was my
This is MJ. Remember her from Korea?
I say what I said, I just wanted an explanation.
Tanggapin mo na.
Sige no, maliit na vlogger. Sige na.
The spoiler of the day.
Hi. So this is me again, trying to invade his privacy by putting another vlog without him knowing. So we're here and we're gonna let the traffic stay out. So we're in Jaco. We don't have a port. This is with our good friend Miss Vanessa and we're having Jaco. So Jaco is very famous because the more donuts that you buy, the lesser you pay. And that's what Filipinos like. It's very chill. Oh no, he's back.
Yo. Okay guys, we're gonna review, or they are gonna review the donuts because I'm not really a big dessert person and I'm not feeling sweets right now, but she is. So.
No, I'm not a sweet tooth. You know?
Are you not?
I'm not.
Okay.
Jaco is the only donut that I actually enjoy because it's not so sweet like beep.
No, you didn't.
With almond. And this is tiramisu, is tiramoko ng konti. Tiramisu. The classic glazed donut only. And this is avocado.
No, green
This
tea.
is green tea, yeah. You see, it is made with arch and long. Look at how it's made. It's just so beautiful. Look at that. This is the kind of donut that doesn't have a hole in the middle, which is so
great,
generous.
right?
Look at that beautiful laid on there and that cream over there in the middle. And when you eat it, it just melts in your mouth. You know? It's so perfect.
What are you having?
Strawberry.
Strawberry.
Yeah.
Taste-wise, explain to the viewers. Is it heavy? Is it like liquidy?
Not heavy. It's just okay.
Light.
Oh, what they did with the dough is they didn't put any sweetener in the dough. So when the icing melts on your tongue, it has some balance because the dough is very bland. Unlike
No, you didn't.
Wow, 예쁘다. Hello everybody, it is a new day here in... Nasaan na po tayo?
Bacoor.
No. Frangela. And si Zoe. Say hi. Sponsored by... Hello ka.
I said before,
What
if
did
we
you
come
get
out and we
today?
look exactly the same, it's not our fault. It's bioessence. I think facial to make me look like more human, and then massage, facial massage or massage, but a facial massage. So they're gonna.
It's my room.
This is the room
This is the room.
with all the blue
The
lights.
blue lights.
Ay, tara na.
Ay, sorry. I can officially say, I'm hot. Hello.
Hi, ma'am.
Head. Ito yung dadapa ng client, ng face niya.
Nakaganto.
Ganito.
Hi, David. Ang tagal niyo.
Bakit tato?
Wala na. Seryoso to. Ganito ginagawa nila. Wait lang po, madam. Taas mo po. Ayan ako.
Ayan.
Ate, ginawa ko rin. Time-lapse na yun to. Nandal ko dito.
Uy.
Pang ilan siya?
Gusto ko pa siguro mga 1 million na. 6,912. Wow.
Ang tawag dyan, David, glimpse of heaven.
Pero hindi naman daw actual.
Baka parang sa
diamond.
twilight, pag dumating yung araw, biglang...
Hindi naman daw siya actual diamond. Para lang siyang ano.
Oo, ano lang, hindi siya yung...
Crystals.
Parang iba yung tsura mo, David. It's so cute.
Yung
That's so gross, everybody.
Yan! Sasayang sa dyan.
Ano po ito? Kuha lang.
Visitor!
Popo!
Yung celebrity look. Yung celebrity look.
For the wedding.
Oh! Yun yung masakit.
See you next year.
Nako, imamamify na ako.
Wow!
Milk ba niya?
Hindi ko sure kung ano sa collagen.
Wow!
Sarap, parang feeling ko sobrang soft bigla yung aking skin. Hindi ko pa nakikita, no? So the last
Vitamin C
steps.
kasi din.
Ito, moisturizing. Ano po yan?
Vitamin C cream.
Vitamin C cream, everybody. Even your skin needs it. So we finished our facial.
Yes.
This is the after. It's
Like, I don't know how it looks. So many red stuff.
but ano, you will see in the morning. My nose is clean. So everybody, we had our late lunch, early dinner, and now we are going to watch Pitch Perfect. It's over. We're trying to film something and we have to be quiet, but for some reason, there's always one person who has to speak.
Okay na
Take 4.
Ay, ano kailangan sa amin?
Wow, yay! Success! The newly engaged pala. Kailangan nyo sabihin, sorry po, strict ang parents ko.
Sabihan sa'yo na kanina.
Ayos. Ano ba talaga gusto nyo? Seryoso?
Sa review ko, hindi tayo nakaganyan naman dito sa ganyan.
1, 2. Gumalaw naman kayo.
So that was my day with Frangela. And other than that, I wish you all a good morning, good afternoon, a good evening, wherever you may be. See you soon! Adios, school!